Hello everyone. Today, we will begin our session on one of the important concepts in advanced data structures, the structure of an M-way search tree. This topic plays a key role in understanding how multi-level indexing and efficient data retrieval are achieved in modern systems. Throughout this presentation, how nodes are structured and why this design improves search performance. Let's get started. Now, let us understand what an M-way search tree actually is. An M-way search tree is essentially a generalized form of a binary search tree. While a binary search tree allows only one key per node and two children, an M-way tree removes this restriction. In an M-way tree, each node can store multiple keys, and based on the number of keys, it can have multiple children. If a node contains m-1 keys, it can support up to m children. This flexibility allows the tree to divide data into more segments at each level, which helps in reducing the height of the tree and improving search efficiency. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of the root node in this example. As we can see, the root node contains two keys, 10 and 20. Each key is placed inside its own individual box, but both keys are part of the same node. Because this node has two keys, it naturally divides the data into three regions. That is why the root node has three child pointers, which are shown by the three arrows leading to the child nodes. This demonstrates an important rule in M-way search trees. Whenever a node has n keys, it will always have n+1 children. This structural property helps the tree split data efficiently and maintain proper ordering across all subtrees. Next, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of an M-way search tree, the key ordering property. Using the root node from our example, we have the keys 10 and 20. This divides the data into three distinct regions. The left subtree contains all values less than 10, which in our case are 1 and 5. The middle subtree contains values that lie between 10 and 20, and here we have 12 and 15. Finally, the right subtree contains values greater than 20, which is the key 25. This example perfectly illustrates the M-way search tree ordering rule. All keys in C0 are less than 10. All keys in C1 fall between 10 and 20. And all keys in C2 are greater than 20. This ordering property ensures that searching within the tree remains efficient and well-structured. Now, let us examine the child node structure in an M-way search tree. Each child node in the tree is also a multi-key node, just like the root. This means that every child node can store multiple keys, and these keys are always kept in sorted order. Because a node can hold more than one value, this helps reduce the overall height of the tree, especially as the value of m increases. A larger branching factor means fewer levels, which directly improves search efficiency. Additionally, each child node maintains the same ordering rules that the parent node follows. So, the keys inside each subtree remain correctly organized based on the key ranges defined by the parent. This structural consistency across all levels is what ensures the efficiency and balance of M-way search trees. Let's look at the overall structure of the M-way search tree. First, in the discussed example represents a three-way search tree because the root contains two keys, which naturally results in three children. We can observe that each node is capable of storing multiple keys. This ability helps significantly reduce the height of the tree, making searches much faster compared to traditional binary search trees. When performing a search, the path we take is determined by comparing the search value with the keys 10 and 20 in the root node. Based on these comparisons, we decide whether to move to the left, middle, or right subtree. And importantly, Each subtree continues to maintain the sorted order constraints defined by the parent node, ensuring consistency and efficient access throughout the tree. This overall structure is what makes M-way search trees so effective for handling large sets of data. As we come to the final slide of our presentation, let's understand why the M-way structure truly matters. The M-way search tree is powerful because it allows us to store multiple keys inside a single node. By doing this, the tree requires fewer levels, which directly leads to faster searching, faster insertion, and faster deletion, especially when working with very large datasets. The keys inside each node are maintained in sorted order, which provides predictable and efficient navigation during searches. And because each node can have multiple child branches, the tree is able to divide the data into many segments simultaneously, dramatically boosting search efficiency. This structure is not just theoretical, it forms the foundation for advanced indexing trees such as B-trees and B-plus trees, which are widely used in modern database systems and file storage architectures. So overall, the M-way design offers a balanced, highly optimized structure with reduced height and improved performance, making it ideal for handling massive amounts of real-world data. With this, we conclude our presentation on M-way search tree structure. Thank you for your attention.